Welcome to the Elite Service Masters channel. Are you looking to boost your home's value without breaking the bank? Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to enjoy a more comfortable, stylish living space, you might be overlooking a powerful ally in your quest, a skilled handyman. In today's video, we'll dive into how handyman services can significantly enhance your property's appeal and market worth. From quick fixes to impactful upgrades, we'll explore the myriad ways a handyman can help you get the most bang for your buck. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these valuable tips. Let's kick things off with curb appeal. You've probably heard the saying, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. And it couldn't be more true for your home. A well-maintained exterior can dramatically boost your home's value, and the good news? It doesn't have to cost a fortune. Simple handyman services like pressure washing, repairing cracks in the driveway, and sprucing up the landscaping can make a world of difference. These small changes create a welcoming atmosphere that not only makes your home look more appealing, but also suggests that the rest of the house is well cared for, a big plus for potential buyers. Next, let's move inside. Did you know that minor repairs and updates can have a surprisingly large impact on your home's value? Think about those little annoyances you've been ignoring. Squeaky doors, loose cabinet handles, or that dripping faucet. These may seem insignificant, but to a potential buyer, they're red flags. A handyman can easily knock out these fixes in a day or two, making your home feel more polished and well-maintained. And let's not forget about a fresh coat of paint. Neutral colors are your best friend here. They make spaces look bigger, cleaner, and more inviting. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to give your home a mini makeover. If there's one area of your home where handyman services can truly shine, it's in the kitchen and bathroom. These are the rooms that buyers pay the most attention to, so even small improvements here can have a big impact on your home's value. Upgrading cabinet hardware, installing new light fixtures, or swapping out dated faucets are all quick and relatively inexpensive tasks for a handyman. Yet, they can significantly modernize the space and increase your home's appeal. Another great upgrade? Adding a stylish backsplash in the kitchen or bathroom. It's a small touch that can really elevate the look of the room, giving it that wow factor buyers love. Now let's talk about energy efficiency. More and more buyers are looking for homes that are not just beautiful, but also cost-effective to maintain. Simple handyman services like sealing windows and doors, adding weather stripping, or installing energy-efficient light bulbs can make a big difference. These improvements lower utility bills and make your home more attractive to environmentally conscious buyers. Plus, they're quick, easy wins for your handyman to tackle. If you want to take things up a notch, consider adding some smart home features. This is where a skilled handyman can really make your home stand out. Installing a smart thermostat, smart locks, or a security system not only adds convenience, but also appeals to tech-savvy buyers. These upgrades can make your home feel more modern and secure, which are huge selling points in today's market. Lastly, if you're ready to invest a bit more, consider larger projects like a bathroom remodel or a deck addition. While these require more time and money, the return on investment can be substantial. A well-designed deck adds outdoor living space that buyers crave, especially in warmer climates. Meanwhile, a bathroom upgrade with new fixtures, tiles, and lighting can transform a dated space into a luxurious retreat. These are the kinds of improvements that can make your home not just more valuable, but also more enjoyable to live in while you're still there. So, are you missing out on the value-boosting potential of handyman services? From small fixes to smart upgrades, a skilled handyman can make a world of difference in your home's appeal and market value. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Elite Service Masters for more home improvement tips that can help you maximize your investment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy upgrading!